Hi everyone, it's me, Cary, and I want to do some late night casual gaming of my 2012 Flash game Rising Shrinking Rainbow. And in case the conversation runs dry, my conversation topic can be iPads, because this is my iPad I got in 2018, but I've had iPads since my 15th birthday, which was March 2012. So I could just talk about my favorite memories with the iPad. So anyway, um, if you're curious what this game here is, Rising Shrinking Rainbow, I recently showcased it on my Cary KH channel, and it's a version of The Amazing Race. So every 100 platforms, there's a gate just like that, and the last, okay, you can see red just got last place. So whoever gets the last place gets exploded into a million pieces, basically eliminated, and then the cycle repeats. So I don't remember what rank I got, but if I'm frowning, that means I'm in last place. But here's the next leg. I just got 11th out of 15, so I survived by just a tiny bit. So anyway, regarding iPads, my favorite app of all time is Codea, which is spelled Codea. And I don't know if it's still around because I downloaded this app in 2012. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Whoa, okay. Whoa, did you see that? Like that guy got exploded just like less than a second after me. Why is this lagging? So here's the thing. I didn't really have access to like my own money and bank account until like later in life, like 18 plus. I don't quite remember. So I think, from the time I got my iPod Touch when I was 13, I would just use. Oh my god, it's getting close. Oh god, Brown is right down there. Okay, so we survived. Okay, we're into the final 12, and Brown got eliminated. I just saw like brown chunks from the bottom of the screen. Okay, so when I was like 13, 14, and I wanted to get apps on my iPod Touch, I would just use like my aunt would gift me iTunes gift cards for like $25 on Christmas. I died. Darn. Okay, well I'm gonna have to restart this, but because this is like Flash Player, which doesn't really work anymore, I have to like load the whole thing up again. Okay. So anyway, I had to be very cautious with the money I spent. So if a game costs like even 99 cents, I would think to myself, that's basically 1/25th of my yearly allowance. I can only get two 99-cent apps. What the heck? Oh, I almost died. Okay, I got 13 out of 15, 16. I can only get $2 apps per year or per month because I can only get 25 apps per year. And I think that like the actual like dollar bills I had from like real allowance I couldn't put that into iTunes or whatever. So anyway, Codea is a $15 app, and that seems like ludicrously expensive to my 13-year-old brain. But what it allows you to do is write code. It's in Lua, which is the same. Oh my god, I got frozen. Oh, there's only a few people behind me. So Lua is this. Oh, okay, pink just got exploded. You can see pink chunks from the bottom of the screen. So Lua is the software that Roblox runs in, I think. So when gamers or developers want to create games in Roblox, oh my god, okay, they have to use Lua. Okay, right now the screen is a blinding red, and what happens is the person who gets first place in the previous leg gets to paint the next leg in their color. So red just got first place, and that's why this thing is red. So I really hope a duller color. Okay, so yellow won this one. I got 4th place out of 12. We're in the top half of the leaderboard. Okay, so anyway, Codea uses Lua, and it's like an interface where you can write your own code. Oh, I wanted to get a snowflake so bad so I could freeze everyone, and now I'm getting frozen left and right. So I wanted to. Okay, so in Codea, I'm talking about too many things at once. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, I just okay. Okay, 9th out of 11. Ooh, 9/11. Okay, not good. Okay, so Codea, I keep is an interface where you can code your own video games. So they give you access to like sprite packs, and like sound packs, and also a code base in Lua. Oh, I'm getting 2nd place, 2nd out of 10. That's okay. 9th out of 11 to 2nd out of 10. That's like a huge glow up story. Like if you would see on The Biggest Loser, or maybe American Idol, Rags to Riches. Oh, I keep missing that jump. Okay, so in Codea, you could code like as much as you wanted, any sort of visualization if you want. You could like print text to the screen, you could print sprites to the screen. I'm frowning, I'm in last place, 9th out of 10. Okay, I need to really up my game. And I would use these sprites to make video games, like tower defense games. Do you know the app Piano Tiles that was really popular in like 2014? And they turned it into all these arcade games where you just like tap on the black tile as fast as you can. I made that, I recreated that in Codea. I also made Bubbly Pop, which I think there's a video on Humany of me playing Bubbly Pop. And this was all in like 2012 to 14, and you could do that with Codea. So, okay, here's my point. $15 seemed ridiculously expensive when we lived in an age of 99-cent mobile games that did not have like in-app purchases, because this was like the early days. Oh, actually, there were in-app purchases. Oh, I'm in second place. There were in-app purchases. Oh! I was like an eighth of a second, 13 centiseconds behind first place. I really could have painted a leg. I still haven't painted a leg yet. Okay, so, you know, when I was 13, 14, and I could only get, like, $25 in credits a year, spending over half of that on one app sounds crazy, right? But it's also, like, only, like, a dinner meal, right? Like, a meal costs $15. Well, maybe this is, like, 2012 or 2013, so, like, maybe before inflation, maybe a meal's, like, okay, and $8? Okay, this... Uh-oh, this is not good. So, Codea... Okay, what am I saying? Okay, so maybe a meal is like $8, so Codea, it costs like 2 meals. But here's the gist I wanted to make. If you are a creative person and you like to code... oh no. There's someone behind me, but they're quickly catching up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's over. It's not over. Okay, oh my god. Okay, did you see how like they had the freezing? Oh my god, it's so close. It's either me or light blue. Okay, I survived. Okay, well, okay, so I barely beat out light blue, but there were three of us on the blue team were in the final 7, and now 2 of us are in the final 6, which is not bad. Oh, I'm in first. Okay, so anyway, if you're creative, you can basically turn Codea into whatever app you want, like game wise. So it's like a million games in one app. So $15 to make. I painted a leg. I'm so good. So, like, I think it's easily the best deal ever, and if it's still around, you should get it. But you have to be the person to want to create games and like be very comfortable coding. And so, like, I just remember in like April 2012. Oh, I'm in last place. Oh my god, everyone's so close and clustered together. In April 2012, my dad and I went on a week-long trip to Seattle to visit my uncle for the first time in like a while, like maybe 4 or 5 years. And I remember, you know, obviously I was friendly with my uncle and my family and all that. Okay, second place, not bad. But realistically, I spent like 90% of my free time in Seattle on my iPad just coding like tower defense games and all that. And it was just something that's very thrilling about that, because I was also technically on spring break, so I didn't have any homework from school. I didn't really have any other obligations besides, you know, being friendly with family, visiting Seattle. We even went skiing for one day. I painted another leg. I'm in the final 3, and coding this tower defense game. So like, I just think it's really beautiful. But I think the other thing is like, like mobile games and how like the perspective on yeah, you can't catch me, the perspective on like 99-cent apps has changed, because I think back in the early 2010s, apps tended to be 99 cents and people saw that as expensive for whatever reason, even though you could get hundreds of hours of fun if it was a well-made game, and a meal is 10 times more than that. Like a meal that you only eat for like an hour for one day and instantly it's gone. So I find it crazy that we were so picky that we weren't willing to spend 99 cents on an app. And now we have like tons of free games, and then there's in-app purchases, because I think developers know that whales will spend. Oh my god, I'm gonna win this whole thing. I wasn't even really noticing, but okay, I just need to stay ahead of one person. That person, I just need to stay ahead of them, and then I win the whole thing. I lost by 11 centiseconds. That's ridiculous. Okay, let's play another game. But like, I think if you're a kid or a teenager, like, if you're making stuff on the internet, like, I feel like you shouldn't be scared to spend like a certain amount of money. And I know that comes out of like what financial situation you're in. So, you know, even though I'm saying like, oh, $15 shouldn't be that much money, like, to some people it definitely is. But I think my point is, you know, if you compare it to how much you spend on other things and how much time you actually are in that universe, you know, it really feels more fair. And I think given everything I was doing with like Scale of the Universe and Battle for Dream Island, and knowing that like if I'm creative with something, it can easily pay off like 10 times fold. You know, I shouldn't have been scared to spend $15, and like, you know, if my parents would let me, then I like, it was worth it. I mean, I still haven't released anything from Codea like publicly to the public, but I think maybe I could. Okay, 11th out of 14. We're off to a kind of bad start, but I love an underdog story. I honestly think that sometimes if I get first place in the first leg, it's kind of boring if I win the whole thing, because it's kind of to be expected. But if I get 15th out of 16 on the first leg, oh my god, purple painted 2 legs in a row. Oh my god, yeah, light blue just died just seconds behind me. Like, I think, okay, if I start a game and I get 15th out of 16 on the first leg, then that's a story I'm really committed to. Oh my god, 5th out of 12, I'm in the first half now. Because like to go from like the underdog, the person that people were expecting to win the least, to first place is like the biggest rags to riches story that everyone wants to root for. Although I will point out that this game I have it coded so that like power-ups show up to benefit the people at the back of the pack the best. So if you're at the back and you're trailing everyone, all these power-ups for like spring shoes and the up power-up will like come your way. Oh, okay, I'm 8th out of 11. So like it'll help you catch up. So if you are in last place, it like will make it so that it's not really so hard to end up in the middle of the pack by the next leg. So I feel like there's actually quite a lot of shuffling as you ascend the tower. So to go from 15th out of 16th to even like 8th out of 15 and then like 1st out of 14 is not that crazy of a story. Which makes me think like it's kind of like Mario Kart. Mario Kart does the same thing where it gives you bullet bills often if you're lagging the back. Like, I'm underdogging right now, and in brown chunks at the bottom of the screen because I'm 9th out of 10 and I was frowning because you frown when you're in last. So like in Mario Kart, I do wonder if you if there is a strategy to which like if you want to win the game, I can paint this like I painted it. Oh my god, and it was only by a split second. I'm literally 0 seconds from first because I am first. Well, okay, that freezing thing is really annoying. If there is a strategy if you want to win Mario Kart to get last place and like camp in last place around the track so that you can have really powerful power-ups like bullet bills, which maybe overcompensate at some point because bullet bills like do so much for you, and then you shoot up to first at the very end of the course. Like maybe that is a strategy, and like maybe that is also a strategy in this game as well. I don't really know. I mean, in this game you should honestly just try to avoid elimination because like that just ends your game abruptly. In Mario Kart, people don't get eliminated along the way, but in this game they do. So I don't really know what the strategy is. Also, I will say this game has a pretty bad problem where it can soft lock, because if it creates a course that is very difficult to jump, like right here, purple's just failing to like make this jump, and like they don't have perfect AI. Two AIs can get stuck on a leg, and then if two AIs get stuck, let's say it's final 6, and then like the next threshold up narrows it to final 5, but 5th and 6th place never finish, well then the next leg can never open up, because like I have this like caution block that prevents people from advancing to like leg 6 if there are people still on leg 4. Basically all jellyfish have to be okay, I just advanced a leg. All jellyfish have to be on 2 consecutive legs at once. They can never span 3 consecutive legs, because that just causes the leaderboard on the right side to get confusing, or left side to get confusing, because then there will be 3 regions instead of 2 regions. Like right now everyone's in the final 5 leg, but as soon as like maroon jumps, like right now it's easy to get into the final 4 leg, but in order to advance to the final 3 leg, everyone has to clear the final 5 leg. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I felt from first to second, hopefully. But anyway, regarding iPads, I think that starting around 2014 or something, I noticed when I would go to my piano lesson, so I'm like 17 by this point, that there would be like 6 and 7-year-old kids who would be holding iPads and watching like YouTube videos. And I feel like that was the year that the phrase iPad kid really started to, I could get first, but I don't think I will. Oh no, I'm frowning. Oh, okay, it's all over for me, unless I like get a big, I still have a chance, I have a chance. Oh my god, it's gonna be, okay. I have a chance. Oh my god, that was so close. Like literally, if I didn't get the up power up, I think it would have been over for me. So like I really have to nail these maneuvers. Okay, it's final 3, so it's me, maroon, and blue. Okay, so anyway, I think in 2012 there was no stereotype of iPads yet, because YouTube hadn't really like marketed towards kids or made their app super like easy on mobile. But by 2014, that really it was the case. So I think that like when I imagine myself being 15-year-old, I'm the first person to the final 2. Just the 2 of us, maroon and teal. Like when I imagine myself 15 coding on an iPad, I don't think I was an iPad kid. I was an iPad teenager, and I would hope to think that like the stuff I'm doing on my iPad is like more creative and interesting than watching YouTube videos. But like I don't want to be like pretentious and think I'm better. I cannot get past this part. Holy crap! And this is it. This is like the end. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I can catch up. Okay, so when it's the final 2, the person in first place and the person in the last place are just first and second place, and every power up will show up between the first. Okay, I won again. I'm just so good. I'm so good. Power ups will only show up between first and second place. Yeah, take that, maroon. I like to see your body chopped up into little chunks. Power ups will every power up before it is revealed is assigned a value from 0 to 1 and will reveal itself when that proportion of players has passed its like location vertically. So if its value is like zero point 0.7, it will reveal itself when 70% of characters have passed it. So what that means is that when you get to the leg of the final two, it will inevitably every power up will kind of reveal itself as the first place and second place are passing. So if first and second place are like really close by and they're both jumping up the screen, you'll see power ups like enter like everywhere you go because that's well that's just how it is. Let me choose a different color this time because I've been using teal way too much. Let's go with a completely different color. Let's go with like lavender. So anyway, I guess okay. What is my point with iPads? Just that I think that they are. Oh, I got 14th out of 16. This could be a nice underdog rags to riches story. I think you obviously cannot code on a phone or not very easily because there just isn't enough room on the screen to type. Oh my god. Okay, 12 out of 15. I moved up 2 ranks, so I've been at the bottom nearly every time. So you cannot code very well on a phone. So I feel like you need an interface at least as big as an iPad to access a keyboard, or like let's say you want to use things like Codea's sound picker or color picker. Okay, take that maroon. Maroon was like last place to second placer. This game's kind of lagging. So an iPad is like the smallest thing possible, but there's something like fun and whimsical about not having to worry about like a laptop with a file system. Like everything you could ever want or need is within this app, including the artwork. Oh, it is down to the two of us. It is down. Okay, it's fine. 12 out of 13. Why is it lagging so much? I don't know why. So, like, well, I don't know. I just think, I think when you get older, like a teenager, like it is embarrassing to be seen. I'm in first place. What the heck? I just painted a leg. I just went from like last to first so quick. Okay. It's not lagging as much anymore. It's embarrassing to be seen out in public playing on an iPad when you are like a teenager or older. Because like adults, like respectable adults, are supposed to be scrolling on their phones. Well, maybe even that is considered embarrassing. But like, there's just something about like being an adult with an iPad and like just imagining, well, that's supposed to be like kids with sticky ketchup fingers are supposed to be using. But I think that doesn't have to be the case. Like, oh, another like topic I was sort of thinking about is like, let's say you go to a coffee shop and you want to look like you're being a productive member of society. You're supposed to like whip out your laptop and like pretend like you're doing work, whether that's like doing homework for school or maybe responding to emails for your job as an adult. If you're working on oh my god, I'm falling so many ranks. I'm in last place. This is not good. Like, look at the thing on the right. Like, there's a lot of people below, slightly above me, but it's not looking good. Oh, okay, I cannot lose in my own game. I won twice. It'd be cool to win 3 times. Okay, so you're in a coffee shop, and like, oh, the 3 of us. Okay, cyan. Oh no, Sky, Orange, and me. It's one of. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh my god. Okay, I think Orange messed up so that I could survive. He like sacrificed himself. W Orange. I appreciate the sacrifice. I should have gotten the power up. Okay. Anyway, when you're in a coffee shop and you want to like look productive, you gotta be on a laptop to like work. If you're in a coffee shop and you just scrolling your phone the whole time, people will think that you're just being like a lazy teenager who like is obsessed with social media, even though you could be doing things like checking email or like reading homework assignments from your phone. Like, there's just something about a laptop that feels more productive because it has a keyboard. And I'm frowning. And I guess like I hope coding on an iPad like could be seen as fine too, but it's just not. But also like I would want to code on a keyboard. Okay, that's like another topic. Like, I think that nothing can replace the tactile feedback that a keyboard gives. I know that people love tapping really fast on their phones, but like the fact that like you could tap a W, or like you could want to tap the W key, but then your fingers on the Q, and it feels very, very similar because there's no like actual ridge between the two buttons. Like, I just feel like it's so prone to like misspelling, and like typing is just inherently slower. So whenever I want to respond to someone's text and I want to type a lot, but I want to do it fast, I will not type on my phone because I just think it takes too long. So I'll go to my MacBook, which is like synced to my iPhone, and type on that instead, and that's a much better experience. Oh, you stole that power from me. By the way, the AI of this game, they're like, obviously they're not human players. It's a very rudimentary, like, what's the word? hard-coded AI. So this is like, I made this starting in 2012, but I definitely perfected the AI in 2014. But this is all before the deep learning AI boom of the mid 2010s, I would say. So I didn't use deep learning for this, of course. What I did was something very simplistic. So the gist of it is the AI will calculate, like the instant it hits a platform, oh my god, this is impossible. It will calculate how many pixels up its jump will bring it. And then it'll think to itself, what's the highest platform I could reach within that vertical range? And then it figures out that platform's, oh my god, this is impossible, x coordinate, or the x coordinate that it will be at the time of impact, because some of these platforms move. And then it just kind of like simulates where it, oh my god, this is literally so unfair. The AI, oh my god. Wait, I want that power. Oh, it literally boosted me down to get the power up. Okay, so it will simulate its own trajectory over the next few frames and see, will I land to the left of this platform, or will I land to the right of this platform, or will I hit the platform? If the answer is left or right, it will press the right or left key to counteract that, to sort of like, you know, equilibrium, like try to hit the platform instead. And if it already detects that it will hit the platform, then it doesn't need to do anything. That's like the gist of like the AI, and I feel like that covers like 99% of cases. And of course, to make the AI look more human and also to like have it calibrate to the player, it messes up sometimes. And if you're in last place, they will mess up more often. If you're in first place, they'll mess up less often. Now, I said 99% of cases because there are certain cases when that simple algorithm isn't enough. What's an example of that? Well, say there's like a spring platform. Oh no, oh my god, I died. I for some reason I thought I was on track to survive, but I got 5th place and died. Okay, well, let me just play one more time, and I'll be a different color this time. Okay. So say there's a small spring platform that you want to land on, and it's below you right now. But I will be, let's be green. Let's be light green. I like this green. This green looks like, I don't know, kind of dark, and I was already a dark player. Let's increase the AI to like 70. Let's like increase the difficulty. Okay, so imagine there's a spring platform that's below you, but it's small. And then there's like a normal platform that is above the spring and will cover the like spring. So if you just were to fall directly on the spring, you'd hit the normal platform first. Oh my god, did you see like on the left side, the like leaderboard, the 14 numbers shot down so fast? When you have like a whole bunch of jellyfish cross the threshold at once, that number will move down really fast. So see, the 13 is moving down as more jellyfish are advancing. So like teal just passed 13, and now like okay, tan just passed into 13. So like if like 10 jellyfish cross the threshold at once, the number will shoot down really fast. Okay, maroon just blew up. Yeah, look at the leaderboard on the left. It's like really fascinating to me. Okay, anyway, so okay, here's the thing. The AI and the human player, really, all of them want to hit the spring platform because oh my god, I'm so far behind. I'm literally gonna die. Okay, it's me and, okay, the greens are like we're teaming together, but we're also in last place, so one of us has to die. So it's gotta be you. Oh, sorry, other green, I had to sacrifice you. So okay, you want to hit the spring at the bottom. Everyone wants to hit the spring at the bottom because the overall result of hitting that spring, even though it is a lower platform, will boost you higher. So in order to maneuver to avoid the normal platform from above, you have to move to the left or right to avoid it, and then move back to the back to hit the spring. So it's like a C-shaped maneuver. And I think these AI can do that, but I'm not quite sure. And especially extreme version of that. Okay, yeah, sky blue just died. An extreme version of that is a power-up. So, okay, when a power-up is revealed, that power-up is prioritized for the AI. And even a power-up, okay. So the AI triggers, it tries to calculate which platform do I want to hit. As soon as it hits platform like 7, let's say, it thinks to itself, what should the next platform I land on be? And it looks around itself. If everything were just a normal standard like gray platform, it would just pick the highest one within reach. Duh. But if there's a spring that's like lower down, it'll pick that as long as the spring is the height of the spring boost will still be higher than the gray platform, right? Because then like the overall reach is still higher. But if there's a power up in the range at all, okay, this is the caution, because there's still people in the final 10 leg. Okay, as soon as everyone has cleared the final 10 leg, the final 8 leg is like opened up to the public. Okay, so if there's a power up in the range of an AI, even if it's below the platform it just jumped on, it will prioritize that power up platform the highest, because it just knows that like if it gets a power up, the benefit of that is like immeasurably great. Like this up power up, like look how high it sent me. Like I should honestly want to drop lower to hit that if possible. So what that means is like at the beginning of the game, Like all 50. Okay, I just saw dark blue die at the beginning of the game. Oh, I'm not doing well. I need to capture someone. Okay, with the freezy, if I catch this power up is only helpful if I can catch up to someone else, because then I can freeze them in my wrath. Oh no, it's running out. It's running out. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, but look. See, we're all trying to hit this up power up, but we can't because like the way it's situated, it's near impossible. It's just not a healthy maneuver I could ever. Oh, I got it. Like, see, I'm genius. They weren't as genius. I can't believe I got it on camera. See, the AI like don't know everything. Okay, it looks like light blue painted 2 legs in a row. Okay, anyway, when it's at the beginning of the game, and I know I'm talking really fast, but I just have a lot of thoughts. And there's, oh my god, we're both at the bottom. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, we're all at the bottom. Oh no, we'll all be fine. Okay, so at the beginning of the game, all 16 or all 15 AI are roughly in the same location of the leg. So if a power-up reveals itself that is like really high priority, you will see them all attract to it. Like they'll all shoot towards that power-up because they all want it. And that means like, if possible, avoiding platforms blocking from above. And it just looks really funny because the AI are all stationed. They all spawn at like different positions horizontally across the entire game, or across the entire board, but they will all shoot towards the same location XYs. Oh, no, it's over. Oh my god. If I just got that snowflake, I would have survived. Okay, one more game, and then we're done. So like, I don't know if I can really if there's multiple power-ups in range, I may pick one randomly. But here's what I could do to try to demonstrate it. And if it doesn't show up, whatever. But, okay, first, let's go to more options, increase the AI. But I'm going to decrease the number of power-ups, and I'll just keep it the same. So with fewer power-ups, then the AI will have fewer options to pick between. And, like, you might see them all attract to the same place. So you're going to see all the AI start spread like horizontally in a line, and they should all attract to one power-up. Let's see if it happens. Okay, well that didn't happen because there wasn't a power-up. Like that literally didn't have a power-up fast enough for them to notice it. Because obviously like the AI players cannot detect a power-up if it hasn't revealed itself yet, because that would be unfair to the humans who also can't see it. So let's just try again, more options, fewer. Okay, well that was too few. Well, let's increase this so they don't mess up. And then let's pick a different color. Let's go with hot pink. I haven't chosen that for a while. So, okay, if there's a power-up that reveals itself pretty low on the board, they'll all attract to the same location. It didn't happen. Well, it kind of happened. I guess you're just going to have to trust me. Like, just look for when a power-up reveals itself and they all kind of attract to it. Well, maybe it's harder to see. Maybe, oh no, I think what happens... Okay, you know what? I actually kind of remember. And 15 out of 16. I'm literally an underdog. This is the leg that like would be so cool if I won it. But I'm so far behind right now. I really need to catch. Oh my god. Oh no, they're too good. Okay, well, wait. No. Ugh. Okay, it's because I made the AI more powerful and there's fewer power-ups. Because when there's fewer power-ups, it's harder like for the game to try to balance it to protect the person. So this is really a game where I'm really gonna struggle. Oh my god. There's just someone so far behind. Oh no, but he's catching up. Oh, Brown is catching up. Oh my god, look at the arrow getting shorter so fast. Okay, so actually, you know, I know why they don't attract to the same power-up like they used to. Oh my god, I'm literally in last already. It's because when it does that simulation to see what platform it's gonna land on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please, I need to catch you. Oh my god, that was way too hard. See, I made the AI too powerful already. Okay, so... You know, I mentioned earlier about how the AI will do a simulation. It'll run through the frames of its trajectory to see if it actually lands on the power-up. I forgot that, like, later on, I made it more advanced, so the trajectory will detect to see if it lands on any platform from above. Okay, I kind of like the challenge, so let's try that again. Let's do, like, 69 and 42 or something. So, okay, did you see how they all coalesce there to just land on a platform, but, like, not a power-up? When it does the trajectory testing to see where am I going to land, the simulation thing, it also can know which... Oh my god, I just saw the maroon blow up. It'll also... the simulation will also allow it to land on platforms from above. Like, it'll say, like, okay, well, if I... Oh no, I'm behind. Okay. Oh, what? Oh my god, I literally got the up. Oh, I'm at 5 centiseconds from safety. That's ridiculous. Okay. So, like, if it can detect that it's... If it's like, oh, I want to hit that power-up near me, I'm going to run the simulation to see if I can land on it. But then it sees, like, wait, there's a power-up... There's a platform above it that I am inevitably going to land on first. And that means I'm not going to land on the power-up. It knows that, and it'll bail. It'll, like, stop trying. Okay, more options. Okay. I know I'm talking a lot about technical stuff, so I don't know if that's that interesting. But I guess, like, I'll just play the game and talk more about, like, fun stuff. Oh, let's change the color. I got hot pink because I didn't. So, okay, my goal is to color a leg hot pink, but the AI are stronger now. Like, they literally coalesce more when they're stronger because they are less likely to make a dumb mistake, so they'll all pick the right option, you know? So, like, that just means that they're definitively more powerful. So I'm doing pretty well given that these are harder AI. If it's a 100% thing, that means like they're like 0% likely to mess up. But you can still beat them because the algorithm itself is like, oh my god, I'm literally falling behind. Oh my god, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. I can't do this, I can't do this. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Oh my god, I can't even do it when it's 69. Okay, I'm going to keep the number of power-ups the same just because I want to keep it consistent as possible. But here's my goal. I'm going to make the AI strength 69, and my goal is to win. But I might not make it. I'm not going to stay up forever doing this. More options. AI 69, and the goal is to win. So, okay, yeah, the percentage from 0 to 100 is not really indicative of anything, but oh, I'm literally like third because I hit that up power up and no one else knew how to. So if you set it to 100%, it will make it so that AI can never mess up based on the algorithm it's using. But that doesn't mean that they're like unbeatable, because the code that I wrote to like have it jump is not a perfect algorithm in itself. Like, it doesn't know how to do like the perfect maneuvers, like C-shaped maneuvers. Like, I literally painted a leg with harder AI. That's ridiculous. So I guess what I'm saying is like the AI are always beatable because they aren't perfect agents. Like they can't do like an exhaustive tree search to look at all the possible futures ahead of it and pick the best one. If it could, then it would be unbeatable. Or it could still be beatable based on like random luck. Like, you know, maybe some AI just are randomly like positioned in a like unlucky location and they're still beatable. So there's two layers to which even the 100% AI are beatable. And so like, don't give up hope. But yeah, right now I'm in the middle of pack, so that's not bad. Honestly, like when I would play this game when I was younger, I would keep track of the elimination order of the jellyfish. So right now I can see that like pink is out, and then teal is out, and then the two browns were out. And I think that's kind of, and now like cyan is out. And I think that's really fun when I would imagine me and the similar colors being in an alliance. So I remember like sometimes I would pick light blue and I would say like light blue, light green, and dark green, we're in the like Earth alliance. And so then I would like, obviously there's no way I could help my alliance members because it's like everyone for themselves. But like, it was still fun to think like, oh my god, all four of us made it to the final 8. I remember that happened once. Like, when you have 4 alliance members in the set of 16, I'm not doing well. Focus, Cary, focus. I'm not doing great. Oh, and I'm doing fine now. Like, you'd imagine, oh, okay, easy. You'd imagine that like if 4 of you are in a set of 16 and they get eliminated off randomly, it's very unlikely all 4 make it to the final 8. It's like something like 1 in like 16 chance or something. But it would happen, and I'd be like, oh, I'm so proud of my alliance members. And at some point they would get eliminated. So I'll make an alliance with Lavender, because Lavender paint. Oh no, Lavender's doing kind of bad. I was gonna say because Lavender. Oh no, we're both gonna survive, but we both need to pick up the pace. So it's me and Lavender. So Orange better get out because like they're the only person load. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The grinning power up is literally just cosmetic, so it's dumb. And oh, okay, there's another fodder. Okay, Dark Green is not my alliance member, so he can be eliminated. He is. Okay, so now me and Lavender, we're both in the final 7, but I'm pretty low down. I want that power up. Okay, got it. Okay, I hope you're doing good. Oh, your Lavender's good, but I need to watch out for myself. You know, obviously I want to help Lavender, but I gotta help myself first. And it looks like I just beat Dark Green, or Dark Purple, so I think I should be able to do it. Oh, Lavender. Oh, okay, we're top 2. This is like a dream for Hot Pink and Lavender alliance. That's literally like, it can't be better than that. Lavender's like painting legs. Lavender's at the top of the pack. But look how high Lavender is compared to everyone else if you look at the bar graph on the right. And now I have a okay, see this power up with the white circle makes me freeze everyone who's within a vicinity, which makes it so that like if I catch them, like they inevitably will have to fall below me. Oh no, I'm in last place. Okay, I need that power up. Like, my life depends on it. Oh no, I want it. Am I putting too much effort into this? No, I'm not. Got it. Look, that's pro. That's what a pro move does. Like doesn't give up on the power ups just because it's hard to get. Even though it's just an up, is what allowed me to get this springy shoe. Oh, Lavender painted a 3rd leg in a row. Lavender is killing it. Well, actually, okay, got that power up. Like I want. I'm in last place though, so I need to pick up my pace. Oh god. No, I want this. I want a CZ look. Like, that's something a human can do, but the AI I don't think are that good at deciding like if it's. Oh, I'm in last though. Someone stole that power up from me. Okay. Okay. We're making progress. But Lavender's fallen. Lavender's like fourth or third. I'm in first right now, and I'm freezing orange. Take that orange. You think you're so good? I'll freeze you. Oh my god. Okay, our line's at first or second. We're teaming. We're like at the top of the back, in the top of the world. Oh no. Now, okay, Sky's there. We need orange to get out. Orange, the previous leg victor is in last place. We need him to get out. Oh, but he's just passed me. This is not good. Okay, it's getting really intense. Our alliance that I made, we're in the final four, but we're the bottom two. Like literally, like oh no, one of us is destined to be eliminated. This is so sad. It's either me or you, but it's gonna even though you're my closest ally. Oh my god. Oh my god, my ally just killed me. Backstabbing. I was like, okay, I wanted Lavender to survive, but I wanted to survive even more. And like, Lavender just didn't hear that, and like they just went really fast. And Lavender's in the final two. Let's see if they win. You can still follow the game. Wait, can I? I can watch the game. I forgot you can continue to watch the game. The AIs like play on their own. Okay, Lavender, I'm rooting for you to win, but it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Where are you guys? Are you near the top? Lavender, Lavender won, oh my god, Lavender literally won. Lavender, good job for winning, but Lavender's frowning right now because they're first place out of a leg of 1, and there's only 1 person left, so like they're technically in last place, and when they reach the top, it causes like an infinite loop that causes the game to crash. So once they reach the top, well, look at all these power-ups like appearing in Lavender's wake. See, the game just froze because we reached the top of that leg, so it's gonna freeze for like, and then it's gonna like, I have to wait 15 seconds for it to say an infinite while loop has caused Flash Player to run slowly. Would you like to abort? And then I click yes. But I think that's a good time to finish this recording. Yeah. This warning would show up so often when I would code Flash games from like 2009 to like 2012. So it's a blast from the past. Thank you for watching this video. Not pointless, but kind of like out of thin air that I decided to make it. But I just thought it was fun to just chat with you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye!